Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove and attach bands on your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. Let's get started. As a first step, I highly recommend to turn off your watch so you don't accidentally click something on the screen, because this process isn't that easy. Now we can proceed. Take your watch and take a close look on the back of this watch. You can notice that each of the bands has a little button on the side. The bottom one will be on the left side and the upper one on the right side. And to remove a band, we would need to hold this button with our nail and slowly push the button to the side where is the button located. In this case, the upper one will need to be pushed to the right side. So, I will push the button and slowly rotate the band and move it to the right side. And as you can see, I have successfully removed the band. Now let's do it on the second side also. And this is it. Now let me show you how to attach the bands back. So the easiest way how to attach the bands back, we would need to take one of the bands and then with its edge push the button and then slowly slide it to its place. Let me show you how it looks. I am pushing the button with the edge of the band and sliding it to its place. After you hear a click, you can be sure that the band is fixed. Let's do it on the second side also. I am taking the band and pushing the button with its edge and slowing it to its side. And this is it. Now you know how to attach and remove the bands on your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.